You started and finished tonight, and what a game to pick to make your first complete game here with the Seahawks. You got to feel good about this.
Man, this feeling was so great to me, just to be able to be out there and to give back to my teammates. I told all week I wouldn't probably been here if it wasn't for my teammates, man. The back and forth, up and down, it took a toll on me. To finally be able to get out here and give my teammates back something for 4 quarters, man, meant the world to me.
One quick one, because right before the playoffs, everybody thought you were going to be put on injured reserve, not even be here for the postseason. Obviously, that changed. What was it that got you here to the postseason?
Coach came to me on Tuesday. He looked me in my eye. He said, "Can you go?" And I told him yes, and that was without seeing the doctors or anybody. And I told him I wanted to play. So we went and started consulting with all the doctors, and they told me they was going to give me another chance. When they told me that, I took off running and went right to the practice field and put my stuff on.
Can you go?
It was incredible, man.
Yeah, we've all heard that "Can you go, son?" Which puts a little pressure on you. But you know, the kickoff, the fact you haven't played a lot this season, you get the kickoff, and you just take off and you go. Is that just an instinct? Is that just Percy Harvin being Percy Harvin? What are you feeling? Are you thinking I might get run down? I'm a little out of shape. What's going through your mind?
What was so great about that play is we had put it on film all year. It was a counter right, which a lot of my returns came from in the past. And Coach told me he wasn't going to let nobody else run it until I got back. And those guys had so much belief in me. When we came out of halftime and Coach said we was going to run it, those guys just looked at me in my eye and said, "We'll meet you in the end zone."
Percy, Thursday, I asked your coach, Pete Carroll, I said, "What about Percy Harvin?" And a smile went on his face from ear to ear. He expected that. Did you expect it?
Absolutely. I had a great 2 weeks of practice. The Saints week I was starting to feel myself again. That's why it was a bummer going out that game, because I was starting to get comfortable again. So to go out with a concussion, that really set me back a lot. So to finally get in my groove, get 2 solid weeks of practice, I was just chopping at the bits to get out here.
You know, this league is filled with fast players, and, I found it remarkable, and I think we all did, to a man, coaching staff players on the Seattle Seahawks, when they told you, they say they couldn't imagine someone being faster. That's a tremendous statement about, we're talking about a league filled with fast players.
Man, to hear that, that's just a tremendous honor, man. This team, man, it's incredible. The way they lean on me, the belief they have in me. This game was so important to me to finally give them what they was believing in. Man, it meant the world to me.
Well, you're worth every dollar and every draft pick they gave up.
No doubt.
I think any team would make that trade for a world championship, and you certainly were a big part of bringing that to Seattle. Congratulations.
Thank you very much.
Looking at the other side, I saw Adrian Peterson this week. He said if you had still been in Minnesota, they would have maybe not been here, but they certainly would not have had the year they had. He certainly talked about how much he missed you. You have been a difference maker to 2 teams. One bad, but right now, congratulations, you are a world champion because of this trade.
Thank you very much.
All right, that's Percy